got just a like £15 car that we got from Entertainer downtown, I think, and then we have this bad boy, a Typhon. So basically what happens is I'm going to give this puny little car 5 seconds to go off, and then I have to race it basically and destroy it. Not fully, I mean. Okay, so we ready?
Yeah.
Go on, I'll give you 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
You can't even get me, I'm in the bush.
Round 2. Ready?
10 seconds. Go on, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Mine's not that good at steering.
Oh, you popped a spring.
Yeah, I thought I could do that.
Oh, wow. Hold it. Hold it and I'll get the pliers.
Yep, round 3. Wow. 10 seconds, right? 10, 9,
8,
7,
Where's your car?
5, 4, 3, 2, 1. It doesn't look like she's hitting the car, but I don't know where it is. I have to find it. This seems a bit suspicious. Okay. What is it? She's not moving, she's not moving.
Oh! Oh no. It's crying. Okay. That is actually sheared off as well. Yeah, it's snapped. That's cream crackered. See if it goes still.
No.
Does it live?
Leo, that's your one and only chance.
It's even faster than normal. It's actually faster than it was
Should I
before.
keep on running it over if it's broken?
No.
Like if it's permanently broken.
It's fine.
Whoa, that's fast. That's actually fast.
The three-wheeled RC.
Oh, this is actually quite cool. Leo. Dead. Dead.
I swear that thing's even faster now.